So how do you stop the iPhone from saving photos received in the messages? So let me show you exactly how it works. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, obviously you go to the settings app where at the bottom of the page you have the apps menu. That is a settings page for every single installed app, even for the built-in ones as well. So from the list in the alphabetical order, find messages, and this is where we need to continue. Part of the messages section, you can see a bunch of different things, but we want to click on the thing which is called shared with you. So this refers to any type of media or file which gets like shared over messages to you. And what you can see is like all of the apps which are supported. And the Photos app are most definitely in here as well. So what you can do is to turn it off. And it just means that the content shared in messages, for example, photos and videos, can automatically appear in the selected app, so in the photo gallery. But if you disable it, the photos which you receive will not appear in the Photos app. So that's kind of like making the connection, like stopping the connection between messages and the Photos app. So that's probably the thing you had in mind. One more thing though, if you go to the main settings app of the iPhone and see the camera mode, right? So the camera settings in the main settings app, entirely at the bottom of the list we have messages, and this refers to the photos captured directly within the messages app, right? So it's not like the photos you receive, but if you open up any chat and actually capture the photos are there, in this settings page, you get to decide if those pictures captured in the messages will also be saved in the gallery. So it's a little bit of a different thing, but it kind of has to be explained in this video too, so I wanted to mention that as well. For now, that is going to be about it. Hit the thumbs up if it worked for you, subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.